Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and we got a creamy smoked mac and cheese, just in time for Turkey Day. So getting pumped for Turkey Day, which is coming up, and some simple ingredients to review for our creamy mac and cheese. For the bechamel sauce, got 4 cups of heavy whipped cream, 6 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of Gruyere cheese, 8 ounces of Colby Jack shredded cheese, 8 ounces of white cheddar cheese. I got some unsalted butter to make a roux, garlic, about 4 crushed cloves of garlic, bacon for my roux base, black pepper, smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, 2 teaspoons each, and a small chopped onion. Pasta for the mac and cheese. So follow along as we make this and we'll get the smoker fired up. So I'll get situated here and get some stuff going. But for those new subscribers, welcome to Michael's Kitchen. We love the comments, so if there's anything you want us to try or make with the Traeger, with the Blackstone, or Latin fusion, Dominican fusion, or whatever, just let us know in the comments and we'll do our best to please you. So I'm gonna get my base going in my pot. I'm gonna add my bacon, because I love cooking with the bacon fat. So I'll render that off first, and then we'll start showing you the next steps. So in case you didn't know, you always start the bacon off in a cold pan if you want grease, if you want to produce all the grease, and then of course cook it off when the bacon's done. Now we can start adding our other ingredients. And I'll add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the bottom. And then we'll do the onions to saute them off first. So I got some good color on the onions. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my garlic. You guys know, Levi makes honey and I put garlic on everything. Get the garlic in there for about a minute and then we'll start adding our next ingredients. Onions, bacon, and garlic going. Now I'm gonna add in a stick of softened, unsalted butter to the pan. Melt that off, and then I'll add my flour to make my roux. I'm looking over the glasses like a teacher. Once the butter's melted, add in about 2 tablespoons of flour to start working on your roux, like we did in our broccoli casserole video. Now we can start going ham on adding ingredients. I'm gonna add in the seasonings, the pepper, the paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, 4 cups of heavy cream, give that a stir. And once that comes up to a simmer, we'll start adding our cheese sauce. And since I know it's gonna be up here in a few minutes, I may as well get my pasta going in the other pot. So 1 pound of pasta. Should have had that open. Let that go for 8-9 minutes until al dente. So our bechamel sauce, our cream sauce, is already a little simmering there. That's why we did the thickening agent with the roux. This is as thick as it's going to get. And now we'll add in half a stick of cream cheese, or half a pack of cream cheese. Stir that in, and I'll start adding in the cheeses and add them in slowly until they melt in and incorporate into the sauce. So that's my first batch in. I'll add the next ones in here shortly. And now I'll do the next batch in. And I'm intentionally leaving some of the cheese for the topping. Then I'll incorporate the next one in when this all melts away. And of course our Colby Jack in. And again, intentionally saving some for the top. And now our cheese sauce is ready for our pasta when it's ready. Pasta's ready. First things first, I'm gonna get half a cup of the pasta water. If you guys remember watching our carbonara video, I'm trying to make it extra creamy, so I want half a cup. So I'm gonna save that, reserve that for my sauce here once it's ready. I'm gonna strain this pasta, which if you need a video on how to strain pasta, don't come to my channel. But I'll be right back.
Don't say that.
Okay, come to the channel. So I've got my strained pasta. I'm gonna add that into our cream sauce or cheese sauce here and give that a nice quick stir and incorporate all that in here. Oh, I see one that fell out. I'll get them later. And it's already looking creamy, so I'm not gonna add my reserve sauce here. If yours ended up drying because you timed it off, this is when you use the pasta water to make it creamier again. On to the building. I'll get my dish ready with non-stick butter, non-stick spray. And then I'll do one layer or a couple of spoonfuls in the bottom here. And then I'll do a layer of cheese. Let's do some of the white. And some more of the white. Some Gruyere and the white cheddar. And then I'll put some more layers of the mac and cheese on top. And then top this off with some cheese. And I'm gonna put this in the smoker. Of course, you can put this in the oven, 350 degrees for 10 minutes until the cheese melts and gets, ooey gooey and browny on top. I'm gonna put it in the smoker 300 degrees for about 20 minutes because I want to get a smoke topping on top. Smoke top. To the smoker we go. Outside, onto the Traeger, 300 degrees, 10-20 minutes until it gets ooey and bubbly. Don't look at what else I have in here. We're practicing another recipe for a bacon wrapped pork chop. If you're interested in that, comment down below. Into the TV we go. Be back. 20 minutes have passed. Let's see our masterpiece. Look at the cheese bubbling on the edges. It's time to come out. Creamy mac and cheese. We're back inside and it looks and smells delicious. So let's see what we're working with. Again, the goal is for it to be creamy, smoky mac and cheese. That's why I use that smoked paprika. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that in there. Can you see all the cream in there? Mm-hmm. That is hopefully looking good, and let's see if it's tasting good. Well, just for the record, someone didn't want mac and cheese and the entire time they've been picking at this plate. Oh my God. That's delicious. That is creamy, smoky with the bacon, cream cheese. This is really good. This is fire. Guys, if you like the video, comment down below if there's anything you want us to try or make, and subscribe for more. That said, I'll buen tiempo because Alicia is dying to come on this side of the camera. Bye guys. Thanks for subscribers. Hit that notification button on the bottom. See you guys later.